So to understand that, first let us understand those terms and what exactly they mean. The first term in this respect used is molarity, which is given a symbol capital M. It is defined as number of moles of solute in per liter of solution. So we have taken solution per liter and we have taken solute in terms of number of moles. The best thing about this term is it's a scientific term. We have tried to express the amount of the solute in terms of its number of moles. Benefit. The benefit is we can find out from its moles, its volume if it is gaseous, its mass, and the number of molecules or particles which it is having. So it is number of moles. If A is your solvent and B is your solute, we can write M as small nb over V. What is this nb is? It is number of moles of solute. And what is your V here is? V is the volume of solution in liters. So this is how it becomes number of moles per liter of the solution. If suppose your volume is not given in terms of liters, it is given in terms of ml, this molarity can be expressed as Nb into 1000 upon V. Because the moment we multiply this by 1000, this volume which is there in your ml gets converted into liters. So again the definition remains the same. We also know how to find out number of moles. It is weight of the solute upon molecular mass of the solute or the molar mass of the solute into 1000 upon V. So it's the weight of the solute upon its molar mass into 1000 upon V. This gives us the exact formula of the molarity. And from here we can make out its unit will be moles per liter, which is in short called molar or capital M. So this is the formula which you can use anywhere to find out molarity. Now let us do a numerical to understand this term. Now let us do a numerical on molarity. Find the molarity of a solution having 12 grams of sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, in 200 ml volume. So we are given weight of solute as 12 grams, molecular mass of NaOH is 23 plus 16 plus 1 makes it 40 grams per mole, it's molar mass. Volume given is 200 ml. So therefore, molarity will be weight of the solute upon molar mass into 1000 upon V. And let us put these values. It will come out to be 12 upon 40 into 1000 upon 200. So it is 5. It will be 60 by 40, 1.5 molar or moles per liter. So this is how we can find out the molarities of any solution. Now after understanding molarity, we must realize another important thing about molarity is that molarity, since it is number of moles of the solute in per liter of the solution, it depends upon the volume of the solution. And the volume of the solution varies with temperature. So the problem with this term is that the concentration of the solution when expressed in terms of molarity gets changed the moment the temperature of the solution is changed. Therefore, we doesn't prefer usually to use this term whenever for the reaction for the solution which is required to be heated or which is required to be having involved some change in the temperature. Because the moment the temperature of the solution gets changed, the concentration of the solution will change. Therefore, this term is usually preferred. Now, after realizing this problem with this term and also realizing its importance, we gave another term which is called molarity, in which we rectified this problem.